also built with what's called exoskeleton frame, which is these extrusions. And the panels go inside the extrusions, and that's what gives the strength of the unit. Also, there's other designs out there that are similar, okay, to these units, but they're welded. And the problem with the welding is that when you weld aluminum, it cracks really easy. And these units, when you're going down right of ways or kind of rolls, you're going to do this, and eventually those welds crack. These are all bonded, and they're bonded with a material that is incredibly strong, but it's also flexible. It never hardens completely, so it's always flexible. So it allows you to do this without breaking. The other thing it does is, if you need to replace a panel, say you have this accident and somebody punches a hole through here, you can either just take a body shop, bond to it, and paint it, you're good. Or if you actually need to replace a panel, you can replace the whole entire panel because the glue actually cuts out really easy, and you can replace the whole panel.